I, Rubal Shekhawat, proudly representing thank you.
Don't be afraid. I'm not saying it's easy, but don't be afraid to dream big. Don't be afraid of your ambitions. You have every right to dream big. You are allowed to have the biggest ambitions. Dream. If you are thinking, oh, Little White House, change that dream. Dream a bungalow, a mansion, and the biggest house on the block. Dream.
A daughter is not a possession to be transferred. She's a blessing to be cherished and treasured. She's a source of happiness, love, and light that will now also share with her new family. India's spiritual and cultural traditions hold women in the highest esteem. Our scriptures teach us, where there are daughters, there is auspiciousness. Daughters have a higher God-given power. हमारी बेटियां घर को स्वर्ग बना देती है. स्त्री पूजनीय है, वो जननी है, वो अन्नपूर्णा है. वो सुख, समृद्धि और ऐश्वर्य लाती है. इसलिए हम धरती को माँ कहते हैं, नदिया को माँ कहते हैं और भारत को भी भारत माँ कहते हैं. स्त्री ज्ञान है, बल है, सुख है, शांति है. इसलिए वो सरस्वती है, शक्ति है, लक्ष्मी है. स्त्री ही अनंत की अनंत चेतना है. Dearest family and friends, as we witness the Kanyadan, I wish to emphasize that Hinduism is Nitya Nutan. It is capable of constant self-renewal and self-reform with time. An Indian wedding rests on the foundation of perfect equality between Var and Kanya, between groom and bride, and also between their two families. Hence, the true cultural significance of Kanyadan is that the bride's parents accept the groom as their son and entrust his family with their precious daughter. My dearest Shaila and Viren, today you're not giving away your daughter to us. Rather, you are gaining a son and a new family. Our dearest Anant now belongs as much to you as our dearest Radhika belongs to us. Mukesh and I promise you that Radhika will always be protected as our daughter, cherished as Anand's soulmate, loved as Isha, Anand, Shloka and Akash's sister, and adored as the most doting Kaki and Mami to Prithvi, Adya, Krishna and Veda. My dearest Radhika, with open hearts and lots of love, we welcome you as the youngest Bahu of our family, as Mrs. Radhika Anant Ambani.
Behind every successful woman, there's an understanding man.
Aye.
मैं एक बात कहना चाहूंगी. मैम ने कहा कि हम तीनों जो अकम्प्लिश सक्सेसफुल विमेन आज तीनों आपके साथ एंड स्पेशली गुनीत जी इज ऑल्सो सो फुल ऑफ स्पंक. तो जब इन्होंने कहा कि बिहाइंड एवरी सक्सेसफुल वुमन देयर इज एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग हस्बैंड, मैं उसी समय यही सोच रही थी कि ऑल थ्री ऑफ अस जब हमने अपने लाइफ के बारे में बात की है, वी ऑलवेज मेंशन्ड आवर फादर्स, but I always say that behind every successful and courageous